Happy Tuesday, everybody. Okay, so today we have got a trio of Catalyst 6800 switches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the 6800 first introduced in 2013, made end of sale 2020, end of support only last year. But as you can see, well, as we all know, there are quite a few of these out there. And basically, you are looking at a Catalyst 6500 with a slightly faster backplane, supports slightly different cards, supports some 6500 cards, not all. But in this instance, you've got the VS SUP 2T. Actually, I'll just mention something interesting. Okay, so can you see it says VS SUP 2T-10G? That is the part number for only the base card, not the daughter cards. And the reason is, see this little sticker here? This one says -10G. Well, that means it's got the PFC 4 daughter cards. They've all got the MSFC 3 daughter cards, but if that says 10G XL, then it'll have the PFC 4 XL cards. I get that a lot, where people they'll order a SUP 2T 10G expecting all the daughter cards on there, and and then when it arrives with them missing, we're like, well, you need to order, if you want both these cards and the base card, you need to order this second part number. In the box, Cisco give you a little, that's a little sticker on there. But anyway, so as you can see, you've got 2 power supplies and 2 blanks. You can have little PSC modules. Those are little power control modules. I can't remember the exact name of them. And you can have their, these are the power inlets. So these little power supplies, they just slide in there, and yeah, so, and as you can see, this one has been beautifully refurbished. But there you go, yeah. So I call these the Sir Alex Ferguson switches, because for 25 years he ruled the world in his in football. But Catalyst 6500 ruled the world in switches, because basically the technology is exactly the same from a Catalyst 6000, which came out in 1999, and then developed to the 6500, and then to the 6800. And so yeah, so this customer's bought some spares, and look, there you go, beautifully refurbished. And interestingly, these Catalyst these are 6506s, and they've got the, can you see the gold modules? So those gold modules that were designed for this platform are also supported in Catalyst 6500. But anyway, there you go. Just a quick one for the day. Got to go. Catch you later. See ya.